Alright guys, here's some more on this console I'm building. Starting to take a little shape. Yeah, looks weird. I know you're thinking, what the crap is this? But you'll see when I'm done with it. It'll be cool. Yeah. Getting closer. As I'll get closer, I'll take some more footage of it, but I got this piece of aluminum that I'm gonna put in the bottom of it as a package tray. What I'm gonna do is cut it out to where it fits in here, in this part right here, in that back hole, and then run it up the sides, and I'll have me a package tray. But yeah, I know it looks kind of funky right now, but you'll see what it is when I'm done. Hopefully it'll be cool. And so far it don't even weigh 2 pounds, almost 2 pounds, but not quite. Using lightweight white pine and just some scrap little pieces of 1/4 inch plywood, whatever it is. Alright, well, I'll be back with y'all in just a few. Alright, later. Alright, here we are again. Got me a few more braces and pieces in. I got the little plate in place so I can form around it. And I got this up here for a brace. But I got the side piece in right here. Just got it mocked up for now, just to hold itself in place until I can get some more structure around it. A lot of this will be cut out after I do its forming and everything. It'll be cut out, so it'll still be a lot lighter too. But yeah, I think you can see it taking a little shape, a little form. Yeah. Alright, well, stay tuned, see y'all in just a few. Alright, y'all, I got this structure done, but before I put my covering and stuff on it, I decided to add some accessories to it. And I got this from my buddy Dave, and I'm gonna cut it along this seam right here, so I got something to screw to in these holes. It'll set about right here. And I got this little change dispenser from him. I'm gonna set it about right here, and yeah, it's just a little more of a challenge, but I think it's gonna look cool. And yeah, that's gonna be alright. Got the rest of the stuff and supplies to do the rest of it with. I'll get these mocked up, put on there, mounted, and then we'll go from there. Alright, see y'all in a little bit. Alright everybody, I got this stuff set in pretty much the way I want it. what I'm gonna do before I actually lock these down into place is run my felt between them right here and all down through here and lap it over so I can sand up to the pieces I put in. I can form and shape all around the rest of it. Yep. But yeah, I think that'll be pretty neat. I think so. Alright, well, I'll let that little bit of glue dry for a while and come back to it. Alright, I'll see y'all in just a few. Later. Alright, y'all, we're back at the console. But first, meet Champ. Champ, hey, boo. What's up? Sit. Sit down, boo. Good boy. You watching the shop? You watching, boo? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Just taking shape. Yeah. I know it still looks messy, but it's coming along now. I tried to get like some indentation in the side and some like lines, kind of like the Charger hood. But yep, just getting there. And that's an idea about how the gauges will be. Yeah. Alright. We'll see you in a few. Later. Alright guys, here's the console we've been working on. I shot a little coat of black on it. And actually I don't want it that shiny, so I'll probably just wipe it down with some 400 grit and then go over it with like some semi-gloss or something. And go from there. Yeah. See if I can get you an angle over here. It's getting there. Once it dries, it won't have all that sparkly look to it. Yeah. I have to look over the mess on my table in the shop. Just ain't cleaned it up in a little bit. Yeah. Once I get it all shaped in and formed up, I can start cutting some of this out and lighten it up even more. And get ready to cut and put my gauges in the front right here. Yeah. Make me a shifter plate. Thinking about going with some aluminum diamond, like 30 thousandths. Should be good for a shifter plate. Polish it out, make it look good. But yeah. Alright. I'll get back with you once this dries. I'll probably, like I said, sand it back down and do it in a flatter semi-gloss or whatever. Flat black, something, I don't know yet. But I'll show it to you. Alright. Later. What's going on, everybody? This is the little cardboard cutout that I made for the shifter plate. Seems to fit pretty good on here. Alright, so just a little mock-up of that. Then I'm going to cut it out of this aluminum sheeting I have left over. I think it's 40 thousandths. Race car sheeting. I'm going to cut it out of that and maybe polish it up after I get done with it. After I get through trimming it and fitting it into place. And I got the pieces over here to do behind it. Where I'm gonna mount the speedometer. Alright. Well, I'll be back with you shortly. We'll see how it goes. What's going on, guys? I'll finish up this video. This is the console. I still got a few little bugs to work out of it. But I'm gonna put me some little L brackets right here on the corners after I finish finishing it up and putting its final coating on it. I'll put my final coating on it like I did the Monte Carlo dash with the texture, but yeah, it ought to look alright. That's it. It looks pretty nice. You can't see it real good. The sun's real bright too, but you can build this to fit just about any kind of hot rod. I'm building one actually for the 57 Chevy too. So yeah. Well, I apologize for the shadow in it, but I can't get to the other side right now because I still got it covered up, and I'm waiting on parts for the throttle and stuff, so I can try to make it to that race next week. But I appreciate it. Y'all stay tuned and please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.